Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into fortheload.net, the best place on the planet to buy vintage electronics. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Symphonic DVD VCR combo to show you. The model number is WF803. Makes it really convenient to play back both VHSs and DVDs in the same unit, and it will even save some space, and it will eliminate one remote from your entertainment center. But let's go ahead and talk about it. So on the rear panel of it, you have your antenna input and output for recording onto VHS from cable television. And then right here you have your DVD VCR output, that's for playback. And then you have an input for recording. It's just mono. And then over here you have your DVD functions with over here you can connect this and it will do DVD and VCR. These ones will just do DVD. You have S-video component and then an audio output and digital audio. And this was manufactured it was made in China. And the manufacture date is June of 2003. To connect it, all you have to do is plug in the red, white, and yellow cable to the DVD VCR output. And then plug in your power cord. And then once you have it all connected, you can go ahead and power it on and put a VHS and or DVD in. And then this is the original remote control for it.
For she had seen that there was no love in his heart.
It's got a bunch of different functions on it. You can adjust the speed of the recording if you're going to do any recording. And then you have a number pad. And then you have your skip buttons. Those are for DVD. And then you can turn on and off the VCR TV function. If you want to control the TV, you can do that. And then you have slow. If you push slow, it'll do a frame-by-frame playback. And then you can pause it if you want to pause it. And then you also have the display button that will display the counter. And you can easily switch from DVD to VCR with the DVD VCR functions. And then you have a stop button. If you push stop and then fast forward, it'll do a faster fast forward, as opposed to the regular fast forward that you do if it's playing. And then you have the menu, you can access that. And then setup, you can go to the setup menus to set up the time and all that good stuff. And then you have a couple other functions that are used for DVD. You can zoom in if you want up to 4 times. And then on the front panel of it, you have a stop button right here. That's for the DVD function. And then you have skip forward, skip backwards, and play. And then you have DVD, VCR. You can switch between the two with this button right here. And then you have record. You can begin recording if you have something you want to record. And then you have fast forward and rewind. And then you have stop and eject, play, channel buttons, and power. So that's pretty much all there is for this Symphonic combo player. It makes it really convenient to watch your VHS tapes, and it's an all-around good device. It's really slim, so you can fit it into more spaces if you have a tight space. But if you want to order one, make sure you get it from us at fortheload.net for the best guarantees, and you can call us to order, or you can get it on our online store.